Hi, Generals. Well, we are wrapping up this week with, again, cells. And we're going to look at labeling the diagrams of a plant and animal cell, as well as understand the functions of organelles within the cells. And then we're going to, again, describe the differences between plant and animal cells. Today, the goal, hopefully, is that you won't need to use your notes. So actually try to not use your notes today that you've taken over the last couple of days. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to do two different activities. So again, you can go to the notebook file and click on Click and Reveal. And then you unpause the video when you're done with that activity. If you don't have the ability, then we're going to click on Click and Reveal together. And now let's again write what all of those different elements are. And then we're going to click and reveal the actual answers. So I'm going to wait for you guys to write down from memory what each of those elements are, or each of those parts are to an animal cell. And then we'll go back. Okay. Hopefully you've gotten all of these right. Let's check. Hopefully you put rough ER, nucleopore, ribosomes, centriole, and mitochondria. Great job if you did. Okay, now let's click on the menu button. We did click and reveal that time. Now we're going to do drag and drop. Again, pause the video and go to the notebook file and click on drag and drop and then do that activity. If you haven't, if you don't have it, we're going to click on it together now. And now again, from memory, because we just did it with free write, now let's see if we can get even better and do it from memory and drag and drop all of these elements to where they're supposed to go. Again, unpause the video when you're done. Okay, let's hit check. And again, I didn't move anything up there. So if you didn't put anything up there, it's going to give you X's. So don't cheat. So let's move some elements. And I'm going to purposely just put things in a part. Okay, again, now I'm going to hit solve. And now it's showing me all of my correct parts. Great job if you did everything right and got complete check marks. Okay, that was animal cell. Oh, sorry, went too fast. Now let's do plant cell. We're going to do the same thing where first we're going to look at clicking and revealing. And again, tried from our best ability to do memory. And then again, if we'll get a second chance at it with drag and drop. So again, write down all of the pieces, pause the video until you're done. Okay, now let's look and see if you got the answers right. Okay, great job if you did. Now, we're going to get one more chance. If you got anything wrong, now we're going to drag and drop the information to its parts to hopefully solidify our understanding. So let's go back. And now let's choose drag and drop. And this time, drag and drop the elements where they need to go from what we just did. Hopefully you remember a few more things. And then again, unpause the video when you're done. Okay, again, I'm just going to drag. And I know these aren't right. Okay, whatever yours look like, remember again, you click solve. And now it's going to put it exactly where it was supposed to go. Or it's going to tell you got them all right. Now, of course, I didn't get any of them right. So hopefully you did better than I did. Okay, well, let's go back to the main menu. And now let's actually try our hand at definitions. Now we're going to put the words from the left over to the function that it matches on the right. So again, hopefully we have a great memory from the notes we've taken and read for which of these functions the right way, and we can get it correct. Again, go to the notebook file and drag and drop over there, and pause the video until you're done. But if you don't have the ability to use a notebook file, then we will do it together on the video. Okay, hopefully you have moved these to where you think they're supposed to go based upon your memory of this week. And now let's check it. I didn't get anything right. So hopefully, again, you did a better job than me. And you've gotten all of these right. Now let's go on to comparing and contrasting. So we're going to actually use this file and handwrite things that are a part of the animal cell and things that are a part of the plant cell and things they both have in common. Again, go to the notebook file and write inside, using the pen, what elements go where. And then if you don't have it, then just draw the diagram on your paper and pause the video until you guys have discussed and looked at each other's work and came to a consensus on one common comparing and contrasting diagram. And then we'll reveal the answer together. Okay, again, unpause the video when you're done. Okay, let's look at the answer. Great job if you got most of these correct. Again, some of the words you may not remember, but if you definitely knew that they both have a nucleus, they both have cytoplasm, they both have mitochondria, they both have ribosomes and a cell membrane, that is huge. And then again, one of the key things that they're different is chloroplasts, or if you can think of chloroform, plants. And then centrioles is where also the animal has, but the plant doesn't. That is a huge thing for you in preparation for your EOI. This concludes our general time for this week. Have a great spring break. Get ready to come back ready to rock and roll with more EOI strategies. And you have a great day.